Hello people, it's Mishan. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and स्वागत है आपका मेरे चैनल पे. Now this is the official teaser for The Batman, directed by Matt Reeves, starring Robert Pattinson as Bruce Wayne and Batman. I don't know what my reaction is gonna be. This was a surprise when we realized that Robert Pattinson is gonna be a Batman, and मतलब मेरे लिए personally the kind of performances that I've seen throughout Batman, I will say that for me Ben Affleck is the best live action Batman ever. Some people say Christian Bale. I always say, and I'm being honest here, Christian Bale it was a good approach to Batman, but when it comes to comic accuracy, Ben Affleck is the best live action Batman. He looks like Batman as per the comics. Christian Bale does not. But that doesn't mean that Christian Bale is bad. Christian Bale is good. But for me, Ben Affleck is the better version. So now Robert Pattinson is here. मुझे नहीं पता मैं देख के कैसे रिएक्शन दूंगा. I'm not gonna be critical अभी से. So let's watch it now and see what's gonna happen. I'm curious as hell. I really want to see how Robert Pattinson looks as Batman, as Bruce Wayne, and how this movie looks as a whole. I'm very curious, very excited. So let's jump right into it. The Batman official teaser. Here we go. No more lies.
From your secret friend. Who?
Is that Commissioner Gordon?
Haven't a clue. Let's play a game. Just me and you. Any of this mean anything to you?
The Batman. Okay.
You're becoming quite a celebrity. What's happened to you?
Someone is targeting Batman. Catwoman.
If you are justice, please do not lie. What is the price for your blind The hell are you supposed to be? I'm vengeance.
Okay. Okay. I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding. This is giving me goosebumps.
You're part of this too. How am I part of it? You see.
Currently in production. Okay. What can I say? This looks nice. With after all the hatred, all the backlash for Robert Pattinson, this actually looks good. I didn't expect this. I didn't expect this. But of course, it's Matt Reeves. Robert Pattinson is actually, looking nice as Batman. He's actually looking good. I'm surprised. I am surprised. Well, what do you know? The makers actually know what they're doing. The Batmobile looks sick. The suit and everything, it's, very different approach, but it looks nice. And, that one scene, who the hell are you supposed to be? And that action sequence and then punching and then I am vengeance. That was just, it gave me goosebumps, man. It gave me goosebumps. Being a DC fan, I mean, just look at me. I'm wearing a Joker t-shirt. Being a DC fan, it's it's so amazing. It's so amazing. My heart is pounding so fast right now. I can't tell you. And this looks great. This actually looks great. I'm gonna watch this again after this video is done. I'm gonna watch this again. This actually looks great, and now I have expectations. Now I want to see more. It's coming next year, and yes, जिस तरीके से उन्होंने क्वेश्चन मार्क दिखाया, I think the main villain is gonna be the Riddler. That's what's going to happen. Riddler इसमें होने वाला है. That's what I think, क्योंकि there was a lot of question marks in this whole trailer, teaser, and then last में भी 2021 उन्होंने question marks से दिखाया. So I'm assuming that there is gonna be the Riddler. Whew, man. I'm excited. I'm happy. What can I say? I didn't expect this, but I liked it. I think Robert Pattinson is gonna be a good Batman. Finally, I've said it. I made my decision. Still, when it comes to comic accuracy, Ben Affleck is still the best for me. हो सकता है वो change हो, highly unlikely. हो सकता है वो change हो जब मैं ये movie देखूं. But as of now, Ben Affleck is. That's it. Please tell me your thought. आप क्या सोचते हैं इस मूवी के बारे में? रॉबर्ट पैटिंसन, मैट रीव्स, बैटमैन, ब्रूस वेन, एनीथिंग यू वांट टू से. व्हाट आर योर थॉट्स, योर पर्सपेक्टिव्स? प्लीज मुझे कमेंट्स में बताइए. And if you like this video, so please give it a thumbs up. Comment in the section down below. If you want to see more videos like these, so please subscribe to this channel ko. And yes, before I go, there is this new game coming called Suicide Squad Kill the Justice League. I loved the trailer. मुझे मेरा reaction, I was not expecting ऐसा reaction आएगा, but I was really happy and overly excited. I was hyper as hell when I watched that trailer. But that video is out. But that video is not on this channel, it's on my gaming channel. So if you want to watch that video, please go in the link in the description below and watch that reaction video. It's called Suicide Squad Kill the Justice League. That's a video game. And that's it, guys. If you want, you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, Stardust, and all the other social media apps. All of the links are mentioned in the description box down below. And that's it. I'll see you soon in a new video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.